Now this video is not about the Macintosh, although it is a very cool computer, and we talk about that more in a little while. But this video is about what you heard, the music. That's the most important thing when it comes to making a YouTube or any other sort of video or movie. Music is one of the most important things that drives the story forward, and having great sound quality and a great music source is essential. Sometimes it's hard to find good stuff, other times it's expensive, but I found a pretty good solution, and here we are checking out HookSounds. What you heard in this video and what you're going to hear for the foreseeable future in all of our videos is coming from HookSounds only because they have really awesome content that is specifically for YouTube videos and other sorts of filmmaking needs where you need good music for background noises and music, but no actual vocals. What I found is that my preferred genre of hip hop and dance and electronic, which is a general type of music we get in most YouTube videos nowadays, there's no vocals or no singing. It's just a solid beat that you can put behind pretty much anything, anytime. And I found their music to be really great when it comes to finding something that fits my needs. Sometimes songs have vocals and I don't really want that, but theirs do not. Compared to other music libraries, theirs is not as extensive as some others, but there's a good reason for that. All of their content is original. You can only find it on HookSounds. You cannot find that song anywhere else. They work with artists and different musicians to make songs specifically for them that they like and that they want you to be able to use. They're all high quality. You can get them in high bitrate WAV files. They also come in MP3 files. Inside most of these songs you can download. You have the full version, you have a shorter version if you want, and there's anywhere from 1 to 4 different loop clips. Those are short loopable pieces of the song that you can play over and over again. They will go together nicely in a timeline without having any auditory cuts or anything. You won't know what's happening, and it's a very easy piece to loop. What you're going to have on each song is different, but generally you'll find a short version, a full version, maybe one without some humming vocals, and then a couple of loopable clips as well. The best part is that you can download most of these songs for free from their website. You can use almost any non-premium song, which is a lot of them, for absolutely for free. You just make your account and download the songs you want. You can use them on your YouTube videos as long as they're not monetized. If you do want professional rights to use this in a film or be able to monetize content that song is in, you can buy a license for that individual song, or you can sign up for their monthly subscription plan. I really recommend their monthly subscription plan because you can really get a lot for your money. You can download unlimited songs with the subscription plan. It's only $29 a month. Compared to that, $24 gets you a basic subscription to one single song, where a subscription gets you that access to that song for as long as you're subscribed. If you do want to go single use on that song, they do have different tiers and licenses from basic YouTube monetization all the way up to Hollywood films, depending on your purpose. If you are a member, you do also get access to premium songs, which are just a little bit better, and I have to say they are definitely worth it. All in all, HookSounds is a really great source to find royalty-free music for any of your YouTube videos or films. I really love that they are tailored directly towards background music, not necessarily primary music. There's no singing or vocals that's going to be distracting. If there is some sort of vocals, most songs do offer a variety without as well. There's one that just had humming in it. Not necessarily vocals, but there is a version without it, which is really awesome. If you want to check out their library, I'll drop a link to it down below. And if you want to sign up, be sure to use that link down in the description below as well. You can sign up for the monthly subscription. You can use the free version if you want, or you can pay per license. But anyway, that's all for this video. I just wanted to share HookSounds with you. It's something I found recently that I really enjoy using, and I think the songs are amazing. Be sure to check that out. Let me know if you find anything you want us to use in our videos. If there's anything good that I should play for you guys. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark, and I'll see you in the next one.